So far, so good. I think we've been training hard, and I think the cohesiveness of the team is coming out clearly. And we hope before the playoffs, the team would have cohesed good enough to win the championship. Now that one, I expect all my players to remain in the national team. National team is taking 12 to Olympics, but I'm hopeful that maybe all my players will maintain the national team.